Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, divorces have a lot of major things that have to be resolved. Custody, parenting time, child support, division of assets, division of liabilities, insurance, pension, all these things. These are major things. Make no mistake though, in the context of every divorce, there's little nitpicky things too. You know, who gets the TV? Who gets the picture on the wall? How many sets of dishes? You got linen, I need linen too. Who's getting the children's clothing? How are we dividing up? All these little things, they got to be divided too. Now, a lot of people will call up and say, this divorce has been dragged out because my ex is nitpicking on everything. Well, I don't know. I mean, what does nitpicking mean? If what they're saying is, you know, I can't agree with this because you want to pick up the child 15 minutes later and I can't agree because I have to call my attorney and he only works 9 to 5, so therefore, you know, you'll have to file a motion about this, that's intolerable. That is, without question, a horrible obfuscation of the proceedings. It's just an effort to be uncooperative, and that's a bad thing. And shame on people who do that, and there are plenty of them who do. But you got to be able to work things out, and there's got to be some leeway. And you can't fall back on your attorney for every little thing. Having said that, you know, if you spend a little bit more time on the nitpicky things that don't evolve into huge things later on. So, for example, if we decide that the household furnishings belong to one person and the house goes to another person, so the contents are going here, the house is going there, you know, is it nitpicky to say afterward, well, you know what, I know you're getting all the stuff, but I really need the dishes. Can I get the dishes? And the response may be, you're getting the whole house. You're jacking me around with the dishes. And you know what? They're right about that. Go get your own dishes. Go on Amazon. You'll have a set of dishes on your doorstep tomorrow afternoon. You don't have to nitpick those things. Not every single thing has to be a fight. On the other hand, it's not nitpicky to say, well, you're getting the car, there's a title that needs to be signed, okay? If I'm getting this, you got to sign this over and you got to do the paperwork too. And you say, oh, well, you're getting the car, don't nitpick me on the others. That's not called nitpicking, that's called completing the deal. So one person's nitpick is another one's completion of the documents. That is not nitpicky. So sometimes people don't know what's nitpicky or what's not. My suggestion is give your lawyer a call. Say, look, how should I handle this? If I'm giving him, you know, all the living room furniture, should I make him sign something for it? Well, you know what? If they're getting something, it's probably a good idea to document what those things are. If it's not a signature, at least do a video and say, okay, these are the things that you're taking. You're taking this item and that item and that item. It's not necessarily nitpicking, it's just being careful. So somebody doesn't say, well, how come I didn't get the chaise over there? That chaise was in the living room before, and now it's in the family room, so I don't get it. These things have to be worked out, so it's appropriate to detail things. Detail and nitpicking, those are not the same things, and the parties should be careful to make sure that there's a meeting of the minds as to exactly what's being transferred in this transaction. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.